Coming up, I will let you know the top 10 digital marketing email newsletters you should subscribe to that will help you become a better digital marketer. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce and I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Let's face it, we're all busy as digital marketers. We try not to spend a lot of time searching for the answers via Google. Instead, email newsletters have been a great way for news, trends, and tips to come to us. It's a way for us to digest a lot of digital marketing information quickly. It is crucial to pick the right digital marketing newsletter so your email box doesn't overflow with too many email newsletters that don't provide a lot of value for you. Here's a list of the 10 digital marketing newsletters you should subscribe to today. Number 1, SmartBrief. SmartBrief aggregates the top content from across the web. There are some specific SmartBrief newsletters you should subscribe to, such as SmartBrief Leadership, a newsletter with ideas and hard-to-find leadership articles, Business Marketing SmartBrief, a newsletter about B2B marketing news, SmartBrief for Sales, a newsletter for sales and marketing professionals with sales and marketing news, and SmartBrief for Career, a newsletter that will help you with career tips and best practices that will help you get ahead. Number 2, Search Engine Land. Search Engine Land covers all aspects of digital marketing, advertising technology, and the marketing technology landscape. It provides daily news coverage of popular platforms used by search marketers to reach consumers online. Number 3, Marketing Prof. Marketing Prof's newsletter delivers daily information with practical marketing insights, lessons, perspectives, and tips. This newsletter serves marketers with real-world education and provides practical and hands-on advice that is designed to meet the most in-demand marketing skills. Number 4, HubSpot Marketing Blog. HubSpot's Marketing Blog newsletter provides the latest HubSpot articles on marketing, such as SEO, blogging, social media, lead generation, and email marketing. HubSpot helps you stay up to date with the latest marketing tips, news, and trends. Number 5, Marketing Dive. Marketing Dive provides insights into some of the most impactful news and trends shaping marketing and advertising. This newsletter covers topics such as marketing technology, advertising creative, social media, video marketing, analytics, and much more. Number 6, Copyblogger. Copyblogger organizes a newsletter that provides valuable information about copywriting, content marketing, and how to master the art of using words to drive business results. Copyblogger has published more than 3,000 articles on writing, content, and marketing, and this newsletter provides their good stuff. Number 7, Marketing Insider Group. Michael Brennan founded the Marketing Insider Group to help more companies grow their profits without having to spend a fortune on advertising campaigns. Instead, the Marketing Insider Group focuses on how companies can use content to drive organic traffic and increase leads. This newsletter provides digital marketing resource and insights. Number 8, Really Good Emails. Really Good Emails is one of the best showcases for email design and resources. This email newsletter provides you with examples of great email newsletters. Number 9, Contently. We all know content marketing is challenging, so Contently's newsletter, The Content Strategist, is designed to help you master it. The newsletter will help you stay up to date with marketing tips, trends, and insights on content marketing, SEO, social media, and email marketing. Number 10, Neil Patel. Neil Patel is a digital marketing entrepreneur who promises proven marketing tips right in your inbox. If you're looking for fresh new marketing tactics that your competition doesn't know about, you should subscribe to this newsletter. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Is your favorite digital marketing email newsletter missing from this list? I only included my top 10 email newsletters. There are plenty more. Please leave a comment below with one of your favorite digital email marketing newsletters. Thank you for watching. Until next time.